Stamina is the strength and energy that allow you to sustain physical or mental effort for long periods of time. Increasing your stamina helps you endure discomfort or stress when you are doing an activity. It also reduces fatigue and exhaustion. As you are aware of the benefits of having excellent stamina, the question is how you can improve it. Are there techniques available which you can follow which will help you in this area? There are several natural ways well known for increasing your stamina. One way is to eat the right food, which gives your body all the energy it needs. Rather than having one or two huge meals, you should break it down into small ones. Also, you should make sure you consume nutritious snacks between them, which will help you last through the day. If you are looking for long term techniques on how to increase stamina, exercise is the way to go. By focusing on activities which work on your lungs and heart, your body will become efficient in supplying oxygen. The benefit is that your stamina will start to increase. While the changes are gradual, they will make a huge difference in the long run. Although one of the keys on how to increase stamina is to remain active, you should remember to rest. When you get a good night's worth of sleep, you will have higher levels of energy, improving your vigor. Also, you need to make sure you don't smoke as it is detrimental to your stamina. In this video, you will know top 10 best tips for increased stamina naturally, so don't skip the video and listen be carefully. Let's start. First one is stay hydrated. If you often find yourself low on energy, blame it on dehydration. It is important, therefore, that you increase the intake of fluids and drink water at regular intervals. Additionally, drinking 1 glass of beetroot juice daily for breakfast is known to work wonders. Beetroot is loaded with good amount of nitrates that can help increase stamina and help you get through the day like a breeze. Sip on some hot water in the mornings is an effective way to help boost your metabolism and improve digestion. Second is don't skip breakfast. Make sure you start your day on a healthy note. Breakfast is the most essential meal of the day, and in order to improve your body's metabolism, it's best to not skip this meal. If possible, make oatmeal or whole wheat bread and eggs part of your breakfast routine. Occasionally, you can also treat yourself to some peanut butter as it helps increase the intake of good calories and can significantly boost your energy. Third is cycling. Cycling is a great activity if you are looking for exercises to increase your stamina. As it is a cardio workout, you will improve your endurance in the long run. The trick is to go at the same pace for long distance, as it has a positive impact on your stamina. If you are going to be doing this in the gym, then make sure your back is straight. While squeezing your shoulder blades, go slow for at least 5 minutes before increasing your speed gradually. Fourth is make way for magnesium. If you are into sports or into any kind of physical activity, it's important that you make magnesium a part of your daily diet. Magnesium helps convert glucose into energy, giving you an instant boost. Leafy veggies, nuts, seeds, fish, soybeans, avocado, bananas, and dark chocolate are some good sources of magnesium. Fifth is include carbs in your diet. Foods rich in carbohydrates, such as sweet potatoes, brown bread, etc., provide your body with starch and sugar, which in turn help provide energy and increase stamina. Additionally, complex carbs present in foods like bread, pasta, and rice, unlike simple carbs, help you feel energetic and full all day long. Such foods provide an instant source of energy, which is used as a fuel by your body. Make sure you snack on some fresh fruits, nuts, and oats as they help keep your blood sugar levels under check, helping lower your cholesterol. Sixth is exercise regularly. Exercising regularly can help increase the resistance of your body by overcoming fatigue and help you stay fit. Even mild exercises such as jogging, walking, or swimming for a few minutes every day can make you strong. Running or cycling up a hill is a great way to burn calories and increase and stamina at the same time. If you prefer working out indoors, then you could run on a treadmill or simply jog in place. Swimming, on the other hand, is a good muscle and stamina building exercise as the water provides resistance, thereby making the muscles work. Seventh is get a good night's sleep. Your body needs time to rewind at the end of the day. It's therefore important that you catch up on at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily in order to improve your mental and physical performance. Eighth is eat wisely. In order to increase stamina, it is essential that you concentrate on what you are eating and whether or not the food you consume will do you any good. Additionally, to ensure a continuous supply of energy to your body, it is best to break your meals into 5 smaller proportions that can then be consumed during regular intervals. Ninth, go easy on salt. When you sweat or engage in rigorous physical activity, your body loses a lot of salt during perspiration. It is therefore important that you keep a check on your salt intake as you wouldn't want your sodium levels to drop suddenly. Low salt intake can cause electrolyte imbalances, causing dizziness, thereby reducing your stamina. Remember that the daily recommendation for sodium intake is 2300 to 2400 mg. Steer clear from foods such as chips, fast food, canned and prepared soups, deli meats, frozen entries, anything that's either processed or packaged. Foods rich in vitamin C, proteins, and iron help increase energy, improve your immune system, and repair your body's muscles and tissues. Oranges, kiwis, lemons, limes, cranberries, apples, guavas, grapefruits, grapes, spinach, kale, bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, gooseberry, chives, basil, and thyme are all rich sources of vitamin C. While fish, poultry, eggs, milk, cheese, legumes, and nuts are rich in protein, milk, cheese, yogurt, green leafy vegetables, and sardines help increase the levels of iron and calcium in your body. 10th is foods to avoid. 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is a strict no-no if you are looking to improve your stamina levels. These types of beverages are well known for decreasing your endurance during workouts. For the activation and coordination of the muscle fibers, you need your nervous system. 2. Fried food. Fried food is popular because they are delicious snacks. However, as you are looking for how to increase stamina, you should stay away from them. Your body takes longer to digest fried food due to the high fat content.